College Algebra, Topic 3.2. We want to find a line that contains the point 4, 1 and is parallel to x minus 2y equals 10. Okay, now to find the equations of lines, we need a point and a slope, and we need to put them into the point-slope formula. Okay, so a point we have, which is 4, 1. The slope for this line, actually it's a second line we don't have. We have a first line here. This first line, if we solve for the slope by solving for y, subtract x from both sides, we'll have negative 2y equals negative x plus 10. Divide everything by negative 2. And we get y equals 1/2 x minus 5. So this first slope is 1/2. So since my second slope is going to be parallel, it will also be 1/2. So I have now a point and a slope. So let's put everything in here. So the opposite of y will be negative 1, slope will be 1/2, and the opposite of x will be negative 4. Now distribute my 1/2, which I'll get 1/2 x minus 2, add 1 to both sides, and I have y equals 1/2 x minus 1. And this is my second equation, the one I'm looking for. Next, I want a line that contains 4, 1, but is perpendicular to x plus y equals negative 18. Okay, well, I need a point and I need a slope. And I need to put that point and the slope into the point-slope formula. Well, I have a point, which is 4, 1. I don't have a slope, though, for this second line. So I'll go to the first line and find the slope. X plus y equals negative 18. Subtract x from both sides, and we'll get y equals negative x minus 18. And here, my first slope is negative 1. This means my second slope, to be perpendicular, it's got to change the sign and take the reciprocal of 1, which will be positive 1. My second slope is 1. So let's put all that in. The opposite of y will be negative 1, slope will be 1, and the opposite of x will be negative 4. So I have y minus 1 equals x minus 4. Add 1 to both sides, and we end up with y equals x minus 3. And this is my second equation. Okay, next we want the equation of a graph, equation of a line that contains negative 3, 7 and is parallel to y equals negative 2. Well, y equals negative 2 is one of our special cases, or special linears, which is a horizontal line. So I'm going to solve this not by using any formulas, but by using a graph. So here's my graph. 3, 7 is around here. That's negative 3, 7. And the equation y equals negative 2 is right here. So what I want is a line that's parallel to this one that goes through the point here. Well, a line that's parallel will be another vertical line. Another horizontal line. This horizontal line will be described as y equals 7 because it goes through the point negative 3, 7. Now we want a line that contains negative 3, 7, but is perpendicular to y equals negative 2. And again, we're going to solve this by graphing because there's no equation that will handle this. And these are special lines because these are special lines. So y equals negative 2 is again a horizontal line right here. Negative 3, 7 is a point that's right about here. We're looking for a line that's perpendicular to y equals negative 2. That would be a vertical line. The vertical line would go through negative 3, 7 and hit at a 90-degree angle here. Well, vertical lines are special lines. They're always described as x equals. In this case, because it's going through the point -3, 7, it'll be x equals -3.